Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe Essential. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that lovely 2.5 liter engine. Has all-wheel drive capabilities. We got the lovely black coloring on here with the nice looking lights. Backup camera. We got the nice cross rails on this vehicle. Some nice silver accents all along it. Nice looking rims on the vehicle. We got heated door mirrors. And moving to the front, we got that lovely Hyundai grille. Taking a look at the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space, which is always pretty handy. You got a cargo mat here, hooks and doodads. You can collapse your last row if you need additional storage. You got a 12 volt here, cargo cubby hole with your storage below, and you do get more storage up there as well. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does see a 2.5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior. You got adjustable seats, floor mats with the nice Hyundai logo. Got the Santa Fe logo there as well. Storage, lots of it in the door. Got a little textured speaker here. Rear vent, 2 USBs, and of course you can slide this out for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a mostly manual driver's seat, with that being the only powered. With the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks. Got your lights, traction, lane centering, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 85,144 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters. You got your toggle-free screen, cruise control, lane centering, phone, volume, playback, play forward, mode, voice. And looking at our screen here, we do get your settings, information about the vehicle, tension levels, lane centering, auto stop, auto start, digital speedometer, all that jazz. To my right, we get tons more storage, cup holders, USB. This does close for a nice sleek look, and you just pop it open. Gear select with auto stop, auto start, auto hold, heated front seats, drive modes and drive terrain modes, where you get snow, mud, and sand, comfort, sport, and smart, hill, and park assist, which is your backup camera. Gonna click that off. Heated front seats. Got your climate controls here with dual climate controls. Pretty nice. Front window defrost, back window defrost. You got your storage below as well, which is pretty handy. Hazards, storage above, below. And our nice big infotainment system here with your audio, media, settings, phone, and menu. You're going to click into our menu where you can see all our apps: Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, quiet mode, memos, settings, radio, all your usuals. I'm just going to click into your audio, AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, HD radio, which is always pretty nice. And clicking there, that's how you collect into your phone, which is all pretty handy. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE13396A, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.